to pairing and unpair a wireless sensor switch. This is a door control switch. But I show you now. If I close the door, the light still working because it haven't paired yet. So let me show you. On the back side, there is a pairing button here. Pairing button. So I turn on the light first. I turn on the button first, and press one time the receiver. This is independent control receiver. Here is a switch here. Pairing button. Press one time, the light flash one time, and here press one time, the light flash 3 times. So it makes it's paired. So it's a door control switch. So you see, I close the door, the light off. Open the door, the light turn on. But how to unpair it is same. Just easy solution. Just clean it manually. Press it and hold it. The light flash 3 times. So it makes it's unpaired. So when I close the door, the switch can work because there are no pairing yet. So this is the independent control receiver. And then let me show you another kind. I off this light first. Another kind is centralized control. Centralized control receiver. It can control all lights here connected. So the same. Here is a door control receiver sensor. And I close the door. The light cannot turn off because they haven't paired yet. So again the same. Turn on the switch. Now it's turned on, and then start to press one time. The light flash one time, and press one time here. The light flash 3 times. So it paired yet. So I close the door. The light off. Open the door. The light turn on. Close the door. And how to unpair it is the same. Just press it and hold it more than 3 seconds. The light flash 3 times. So check. So it light flash 3 times. So it unpaired yet. So close it. It cannot work because already unpaired. So this is a solution for Lumiland wire and wireless sensor switch pairing and unpairing.